Hi Dreamers, this is a video to show you how to help students see missing items in their grade book. So assignments that they've seen that they have a 0 or below 70 on that they need to redo for whatever reason or another. So right now I am proxying as a student so that you can see what the student view is. So their homepage looks similar to ours, but if you notice, they have a lot less icons to choose from. They have an activities icon and a grades icon. Well, we want to see their grades, so we're going to click this grades icon, or they can click the grades icon. And you'll see that a list comes up of all of their assignments. And if you scroll through in this middle column, it has the score. So they will be looking for 0%. It's by category, so they might have to scroll through. But for example, here is an assignment that hasn't been completed. They have an allow retry, which is that circle, but this is their reminder of, oh, I need to turn that in. Again, here's a 0. It's red, so it stands out. They can see it easily, and that's how they can find which assignments they're missing. Any score below 70 will be in red font, and so it should make it easy for them to find. If you'll notice too, if they've submitted it late, that will also be in red. So once they know how to access their own gradebook, they can use this to monitor themselves. Many students don't know how to go to the gradebook because they don't click around the buttons. But it's important for us to show them how to see that information so that they can manage themselves. If you click the hamburger in the upper left-hand corner, they also have options that they can choose from, grades or activities. A lot of the time they're in the activities portion, but if they're here looking at an assignment, a lot of students, they try to scroll through and they're like, they're trying to figure out what session it was in, and this can take a long time. But instead they can click the hamburger, go to grades, find their zeros. Hopefully this helps. If you enjoyed having the video as opposed to screenshots, let me know and we can do this again.